Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to make a template in Capcut tutorial. Now to begin, you'll just need to head onto Capcut to view its interface. So once you're already in here, there is a create project onto the upper part of the screen. So this is where we begin to create our template. Click onto that and we'll get redirected onto the editing page. Now, once the interface is loaded, it should go ahead and see you or give you the editing screen. So once you're already here onto the editing page, it's time to add in all of the footages that you want to use onto your template. So for example, you want to add some videos or photos, just click onto import in here. You could also add in some audios, or you could just simply drag and drop the videos or some footages that you want to use. So let's add mine here. For example, I want to add this. I want to add this clip and this one as well. So we're going to click onto open to add that. We're going to click onto import again to add another footage. Or you could also use the stock materials or the free footages that are available here onto CapCut. So there are a lot of free materials that they offer in here that you could use. Just go ahead and scroll onto the different files in here. So just head back onto device to show all of the footages that you have added, and to add them here onto the timeline, you could just simply drag them or click onto the blue plus icon to add them here. So it should go ahead and look something like this. Now right after, you could actually make some adjustment onto the footage or media that you have added in here. If you've noticed here onto its right side, there are actually different options such as you could adjust its scale, make it bigger, or let's have it back again onto its normal state. You could also see its uniform scale. You could blend this to other images and many more. So you could also add in some animations for that. And there are a lot of animations that are available, such as in, out, or you could also add in some combo. So let's try adding in an in animation like slide ride. So it should go ahead and show you like this. You'll just have to click onto that to add this onto onto your footage. You could also add in and out animations such as slide down. So it should go ahead and look something like that. Then you could also create some adjustments onto that media file. So from here, you could adjust its color, its light, or its brightness, and many more. So feel free to update your media in here as per your liking. So we could try to tweak some changes in here just like that. And once you're satisfied, you could also add in some text in here. So you could add in a default text, or you could make use onto the different text templates that are available here on CapCut. So there are a lot of free options in here. So here are some of the trending templates that you could use. So these are pre-made already. You don't have to go ahead and update this, but if you want to go ahead and start from scratch, just go ahead and click on to add text in here and use the default text. So you could trim this one out. Just go ahead and click here onto where you want to end the text. So for example, here. So there should be an option for you to delete the right portion of this, just like that, and it should go ahead and show you something like this. So you could update the text over here onto its right side. So we're gonna type in text here. So it should go ahead and look something like that. And the same thing that we did earlier within the animation. So you could go ahead and also add in some animation when the text is popping in or going out. So let's add in here. So we have pop up, let's add that for in. And for out, let's choose other text option in here, such as sunset. So we could go ahead and stretch this over here. Let's adjust this over here and the pop-up over here. So this is how your template should look like right now. Let's make this longer to emphasize the details. Just like this. Now you could also add in some stickers onto your video or footages in here. There are stickers here onto the upper part corner of the screen. Click onto that. So if you're actually doing a video like or a YouTube video, so there are like and subscribe in here, just like this one. Add this like. Let's delete the right portion for that. Add in this one, subscribe button. And let's stretch this one out and delete this from the right. So there are also a lot of stickers that are available in here, just like this one. Just add this, click onto the blue icon, or you could just simply add that to add this onto your timeline. So let's delete the right for that. If you want to add another footage for that, we're just going to go ahead and head back here onto import and let's add in another stock footage. So let's choose any footage in here that we could use. So we could try this one out. Just simply click onto this one and you could add it here. So you could also adjust its ratio in here. Just make this one bigger. And you could also add in a transition here onto its middle part. Click onto transitions here onto the upper part. And you could add in different transitions that are available in here. Like for example, this left one. You could just simply hold this and drag this onto the middle of each video, just like this. Now once it will change to another footage, it should go ahead and look something like this. Now, once you're satisfied already with your video or template, you could just go ahead and simply export that one out and save this onto your device. And that is just basically it, the basics on how to make a template in Capcut. And if you think that has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.